duck à l'orange.
Ingredients: 1 tablespoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, ½ teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1, 5 to 6 pound, Long Island duck, also called Pekin, 1 juice orange, halved, 4 fresh thyme sprigs, 4 fresh marjoram sprigs, 2 fresh flat leaf parsley sprigs, 1 small onion, cut into 8 wedges, ½ cup dry white wine, ½ cup duck stock, duck and veal stock, chicken stock, or reduced sodium chicken broth, ½ carrot, ½ celery rib. Directions: for sauce: 1/3 cup sugar, 1/3 cup fresh orange juice, from 1 to 2 oranges, 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 2 to 4 tablespoons duck or chicken stock or reduced sodium chicken broth, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, softened, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon fine julienne of fresh orange zest, removed with a vegetable peeler. Directions: put oven rack in middle position and preheat oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir together salt, coriander, cumin, and pepper. Pat duck dry and sprinkle inside and out with spice mixture. Cut 1/2 of orange into quarters and put in duck cavity with thyme, marjoram, parsley, and 4 onion wedges. Squeeze juice from remaining half of orange and stir together with wine and stock. Set aside. Spread remaining 4 onion wedges in roasting pan with carrot and celery, then place duck on top of vegetables and roast 30 minutes. Pour wine mixture into roasting pan and reduce oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue to roast duck until thermometer inserted into a thigh, close to but not touching bone, registers 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 to 1 1/4 hours more. Turn on broiler and broil duck 3 to 4 inches from heat until top is golden brown, about 3 minutes. Tilt duck to drain juices from cavity into pan and transfer duck to a cutting board, reserving juices in pan. Let duck stand 15 minutes. While duck roasts, cook sugar in a dry 1 quart heavy saucepan over moderate heat, undisturbed, until it begins to melt. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally with a fork, until sugar melts into a deep golden caramel. Add orange juice, vinegar, and salt. Use caution. Mixture will bubble and steam vigorously, and simmer over low heat, stirring occasionally, until caramel is dissolved. Remove syrup from heat. Discard vegetables from roasting pan and pour pan juices through a fine mesh sieve into a 1-quart glass measure or bowl, then skim off and discard fat. Add enough stock to pan juices to total 1 cup liquid. Stir together butter and flour to form a bermani. Bring pan juices to a simmer in a 1 to 2 quart heavy saucepan, then add bermani, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Add orange syrup and zest and simmer, whisking occasionally, until sauce is thickened slightly and zest is tender, about 5 minutes. Serve with duck.